Guys, I'm Shiludu and I'll be taking you through a tutorial video on how to use Ajio and its various features. So, as you can see, there are various information and about various sales or any sort of clothing that are being advertised here. So, in the Ajio, kids, the store, extra. The complete brand figures. So these are the various brands that are being sold on Ajio. Okay, so now let's try to find more customized preferences for based on what you want to buy. Because let's say I'm searching for a woman. So under women there are various categories that are being that are highlighted here. For example, western wear, ethnic wear, sportswear, kurtas and kurtis, lingerie and nightwear, athleisure, jewelry, etc. Under which you can choose to select. First, like let's say I want ethnic wear, so I go to the kurtas. So these are the various brands that are selling the kurtas and the kurtis here. So you can shop based on size as well. So if your size is extra large, you can go to this section, extra large. You can find the various categories. So let's say I want to buy this thing, but I don't have the money right now. So based on that, I can save to closet, and I can also select the size based on small, medium, large, extra large, extra large, etc. So I'll choose large, and I can also send this to anyone who. Because let's say I don't want to buy it, so I want to send it to a friend for whom I think this will be amazing, so I'll send it to them from here. So through WhatsApp, YouTube, or Instagram, Teams, etc. That's not a problem. I can also choose to add to bag. I can view the bag like this. Okay. And so let's go back. For men, so there are various categories under men too: footwear, inside casual shoes and sneakers, etc. Under which you can buy anything that you want. And the kids section, where there are boys shirts, girls tops and tunic, shorts and skirts, extra. You can also shop based on age. So for children, they usually don't buy based on the size, but based on the age, because most children, they come in quite sizable categories. And next is the indie store. So this is the indie store, which has which has every sort of clothing or any lifestyle products which cater to the Indian taste, or which appropriate the sort of Sanskritized aesthetic that, and it really works well. Well crafts, menswear, jewelry, etc. So this is the stores option. And next is the new arrivals. So the new arrivals are the ones which are just been installed and which have just been advertised on the app. So this allows you to get a fresh list of all the products and services that are brand new and which presumably are thought to be of better quality because of that very reason. So there's kids wear, formal footwear, formal wear, etc. So sneakerhood. So if you are a sneakerhead, you can check this out, because there are various other categories under which there are various brands and various types of sneakers which are being sold on Ajio. So here you can click on the search button and search for any product you want. Let's say I want to search for jeans. Okay. So I type on jeans. So there are various categories that are being advertised here, like jeans for men, jeans and leggings for infants, jeans bottoms, etc. So that's it. These are the collections. Stay home in style, fashion editors speak, right? Fight pandemic in style, etc. So these are the various collections that are being advertised here, which have been handpicked by the editor themselves. And this is the closet section, where I've chosen all the stuffs that I wanted to buy, but I don't have the money yet. And this is the bag option, where I want to buy certain stuff here, and this is my account. And you can also pay. So if you want to get any customer care service, you can click on the customer care option, and you can find any like payment FAQs, shipping FAQs, account and shopping, Ajio wallet, etc. So you can pay directly for any order from Ajio wallet also. So do share activities based on this. And this is the payment section where you can save your cards, any debit card or MasterCard or debit card, from which you can pay for your delivery options. So these are the various terms and conditions. Okay, and these are so in this order section you can get a comprehensive list of all the orders you placed in the past, so that you can keep a track on all your consumption patterns. Okay, thank you, that's it. Thank you for watching.